Ah, the Ecto Cooler. You're gonna do 6 ounces per 1,000 of GreeneEffect. You're gonna add 9 ounces per 1,000 of 402 FluoroGreene. Sprinkle in a little bit of love, and baby, you got a stew going. A few years ago, I made a video about this combination of products, which I called the Classy Dark. If you've been following this channel for a while, there's a very good chance that you've heard of the Double Dark combo, which is mixing GreeneEffect with MicroGreene. Putting those two products together equals 9% iron. That 9% iron gets your lawn super dark and keeps it that way for 4 to 6 weeks. It also works really fast due to the foliar application method. Personally, I found that the Double Dark combo isn't really for everybody. So one day I was just goofing around mixing products together and I came across the Classy Dark combo. So what is the color difference between the Double Dark combo and the Classy Dark combo? I'm not gonna get into the science of it because I honestly don't know the science of it, but from just a visual perspective, when you're doing the Double Dark combo, GreeneEffect and MicroGreene, you are getting a deep dark green lawn. Some even say there's a blue tinge to the lawn. Where the Classy Dark, because you're using FluoroGreene and GreeneEffect, maybe it's because of the nitrogen from the FluoroGreene, the iron's not intense. I found it to be more of a natural deep green color, almost like a forest green color. And I just prefer that color versus that deep, dark, intense green that you get with the Double Dark. Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. Like I said, it's just a visual thing versus a science thing for me. And dare I say, a classy color? There are 2 ways to apply this combination. GreeneEffect works best when you let it just sit on the leaf tissue. It's actually formulated with citric acid, which allows GreeneEffect to be absorbed through the leaf tissue. The first way to do this is separate the apps. Apply GreeneEffect first and let it sit on the leaf tissue. Do not water it in. Then, once it's dry, you come back with 402 FluoroGreene and you do water that in. And since you're watering anyway, go ahead and put down some biostims while you're at it. So that's application method number 1. I know this video isn't talking about green charge, but I want to show you something real quick. Let me show you this. Look how thick this Bermuda is. So thick. Just green charge and routine mowing. Now the lawn is looking a little shaggy right now. My robot mower over there is broken, so I have to mow whenever I can, which is twice a week versus every day of the week with that thing. But still, it's looking so good. But whew, thick. The second way to apply this is to just tank mix both products together. The one thing you do want to change, if you can, put an air induction nozzle on your sprayer because FluoroGreene needs to get down to the soil where GreeneEffect doesn't. The air induction nozzle allows for that to happen a little bit easier, but if you don't have an air induction nozzle, you just have a regular fan tip, you're completely fine to do this method as well, as it's definitely the more time saver of the 2 methods, but that's an option for you. If you do decide to go with the tank mix method of this application, do not water for at least 30 minutes. You want to give that time for GreeneEffect to dry into the leaf tissue, but it's not enough time that FluoroGreene should dry unless you do this application in the heat of the day, which you shouldn't do anyway. After 30 minutes of no water, go ahead and do your routine watering to water in the FluoroGreene. That way everything gets in the way it needs to get in. Hopefully that makes sense. Either way you choose to apply it, you're going to notice a classy, real classy, green color in just a couple of days. The Classy Dark combo is by far my favorite combination of products from N-Ext. It works on all grass types and it gets to work fast. What are some of your favorite combinations of N-Ext products? Comment down below to let us know. That rhymes. We are 5 days post first application of the Classy Dark combo. What I didn't go over really in the initial video is I went with the split application method. So that evening, the first evening that I was filming, it was like 7 o'clock at night, I came through with the GreeneEffect. Let that dry overnight and through the following day. And then the next evening I came out with the 402 Green, watered that in right away, and then watered again the next morning to make sure it got plenty of water. And so it is 4 days since that application, and the color is at least a couple shades darker. It's looking really, really nice. The color is just so much better. And there is splotchiness. I know you can kind of see some splotchiness where it's a little bit lighter, like right here in this area than say over there. I think that's different cultivars of Bermuda. You know, this is definitely, you know, old golf course Bermuda mixed probably with some common Bermuda and some other Bermuda that's sort of worked its way in. So it's kind of all over the place, but still just the color is so really nice. All that sun, so don't say, oh, it doesn't look good. It's just sunlight over there. I mean, it's just looking so dark, deep green. I love the Classy Dark combo. Absolutely love it. Really wish this would just show up, but it's just so dark. Dark and thick. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date when we post new content. Especially pay attention to our shorts feed, as that is the fastest way for us to give you guys updates on any of the products that we highlight in long form videos. I'll see you all later. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.